Welcome to day 9 of the big spring clean sale at Tonic Studios, where you can enjoy exclusive craft bundles at outstanding prices added daily until Easter Monday. First of today's deals, we have a dazzling glitter card bundle containing 8 packs of Craft Perfect glitter cardstock in stunning shades. Add some sparkle to your next project with this sensational selection at 65% off. Next, we have a glitter, confetti and sequin multi-pack bundle containing 5 4-pack selections of festive colour palettes. This stunning bundle is available for you this Easter at a massive 75% off. Our Tim Holtz bundle is an incredible selection of Tim Holtz essentials including 3 scissors, retractable craft knife and craft pick, available at 50% off. And finally, we have an awesome topper die set bundle for you containing 5 sets in elegant designs to complete any project, available at 60% off. That's day 9 of our big spring clean sale. Get these limited edition bundles while you can and check back tomorrow for more amazing deals.